You're gonna be the Phoenix King, Steve?
And I light this car on fire, yeah. Yay! Okay, wait a second. Nobody knows about this car. Wait a minute. Stay in front of it.
Okay, I got
That's my pose.
For 600. That's yours? You don't own poses, Steven.
Leah.
Fine, I'll make my own.
I'm fabulous.
I got this for $600.
As she says with her eyes closed.
I can't freaking see.
Man, look at that.
That
Amazing paint job.
Oh, you haven't seen the best. Come here.
It's gonna be a 30-minute video of us just looking at
Chunkies.
Oh, it's three-dimensional.
Cat.
I don't get why people like cats. All right, so what's this vehicle?
Well, this is a 2009 Dodge Charger, and I got it for $600 from some family. And yeah, me and my mom did a DIY paint job with Steven's air compressor, and it turned out pretty good.
Yeah, it did, actually.
Yeah. Besides the orange peel and the runs.
Yeah, but that's not going to show up on camera. It looks fine on camera.
Yeah.
What are we doing today?
We need to replace both front suspension.
Both front suspension?
Yeah, both sides of the front
There
suspension.
you go.
Yep.
Both front. You need to replace both front suspension. What she means is instead of having to press out ball joints, put in new ball joints, and take out bushings and put in new bushings and then still have old stuff for like $400, you could instead have like $300 in parts?
Yeah.
Yeah, about $300 in parts, and everything's new, and you don't have to do any of that crap.
Yep.
You just unbolt stuff, bolt the new stuff on. I think we have to push out and push in one ball joint.
Yeah.
Because we didn't get a spindle.
Yep. We did
not. Of course. What do you need?
14 millimeter
What?
thing.
Socket? Allen key?
Socket, not Allen key.
Okay. Let me come over to my perfectly organized workbench.
I can go grab it if you want.
Oh, Leah, why would you go grab it when I've got it right here?
Oh, yeah. I feel the pressure.
What's the pressure?
I'm being watched.
Oh.
By the world.
Yeah, all 60 of them. What are you doing?
I'm loosening. So
Are you?
that would be... Oh, okay, other way. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I hear the condescension and the yeah.
Just do it faster.
I shall try.
Do it quicker. Do it faster.
Get
You're
on my
taking
face.
too long. Go.
I'm trying. I'll do the trick that you taught me.
What? You need
I need a wrench.
You need a god.
With the circle.
Leah, I've been reduced to just a tool bitch.
I think it's 13 actually.
Oh wow, was the video wrong?
I think
Wow.
So.
It's almost like it was a waste of time. Crazy.
Why it's a waste of time for research?
Wow, strong Leah. Or she just stripped the bolt, either one.
No, I didn't.
Good job.
I should have gotten Ziplocs too.
Ziploc bags, you mean?
Yeah, like put this stuff
The
in.
whole world is your Ziploc, Leah. Just put it on the ground. You'll find
big Ziploc.
Leah, you'll find it eventually. Oh, you go into your instructions that didn't tell you the right sizes of anything so far?
Yes.
Good. I'm trying to do this left-handed. It's really cool.
You want me to try?
What, and you be cooler than me? I don't think so.
You're already cooler than me.
Nah.
You know how to do this.
Leah, I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, disconnected. He's so disconnected. Hopefully that doesn't do nothing, so.
Nah, I think you're fine. I've seen that.
I know I'm fine.
The bell has spoken.
I know I'm fine. You do.
What am I doing again?
Okay. Take your hand, feel here, touch the umbilical cord, touch the bolt.
Ew. Yeah.
Take the bolt out.
Oh, the ABS.
Yeah, we started there.
Okay.
Because knowing us, we're probably gonna break it, and if we break it, we have to get another one, which I'm not gonna do. So.
It's not fitting.
Excuse me?
It needs to be bigger.
Always does.
So I took this out.
Yeah.
Isn't something supposed to like come out or happen?
Yeah. Look, sometimes you gotta work at it, Leah. I don't know what
I didn't see how it worked. Okay.
We just watched the video 10 seconds ago.
I need to rewatch
You
it again.
pay more attention. Don't be so cheap. This is going to take forever. We're never going to get to watch Avatar. Not if you trip over the jack and die. Or Rafty Roosy.
Yeah.
Make sure you're not stuck on anything. Why don't you pick it up? Pull it towards you? No. Turn it.
Oh, okay.
Keep turning it. Bang. Now go.
Okay.
All 95 pounds of you. Let's go.
105.
You can push it. Push it. I feel like it's going to turn into a video of like women's rights gone wrong.
Yep. For sure. They don't want me working a man's job.
Oh dear.
This is why. OSHA would fire me.
I don't think OSHA would. Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Okay, now put it on that ratchet.
This?
Yeah, because the breaker bar doesn't spin. That one will.
Okay.
So just make sure you have it on loosen. Just try it with your hand, Leah. Yeah. Very nice, very nice. Okay, go faster. We got other things to do. Row! Row!
And get off the socket.
You're good. Go. Row! 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 Now you're going to realize why these things are great.
I hate them.
Yeah,
So
well,
loud.
you could also fight this nut for the next 15 minutes. Or...
Do you want help?
Or what? For what?
Holding the camera.
Isn't that better?
Yep.
Isn't that better? No, it's this thing's gonna be like smoking hot. Yeah.
Just realized before he does the strut, he takes out the ball joint.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. We should do that.
Okay.
Okay, since I'm just the superior species, I already did my side. Here you go, Leah. Here. Okay. Take your side, and you just kind of, yeah. Cool. Take that. You can angle it like this way. Doesn't matter what angle you go in, just so you don't have to hit the car. Anytime now. Is it broke loose? Yeah. Yeah.
Did I just bend it?
Oh my God, you ruined my tool, Leah.
Ah!
Oh no.
Not the pickle fork.
God, anything but the fork of pickles.
Yay.
Over it. Cool. Hey Leah, what are we doing?
Suspension stuff.
So glad you asked. Right now we're pulling a ball joint with a Pitman arm puller.
We really like this car.
Can't you tell?
Yep. It's our favorite car on this planet.
Just thank you.
We did it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got it! First try.
Good job.
13. Just like me.
Wow, that wasn't that
Oh,
bad.
there she goes.
Loses the nut.
Yeah, honestly. Oh, it's a boy.
Gross. No, that's a strut, Steven.
He will have his strut.
Oh my god.
Which, you thinking that was a problem? Or making noise?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't move that very well, so maybe. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah, maybe. But if that was the case, we could have just done this.
Yeah, I guess.
Ah!
Everybody agrees.
You see, your problem right here. Have to take all this.
That's
In
what I
Soviet
get.
Russia, do all. But like they even said that it was like ball joints.
They said ball joints and control, all the control.
I mean, maybe this guy right here maybe was the problem.
They said every single ball joint.
Every single. I mean, now that one's dead. But
we made sure
before
of that.
I mean, I can spin this with my hand, so maybe that guy. And then this in general. Sure.
It's all about Zen. I think I'm making Uncle Iro very proud right now.
God. I am gonna make Ozai.
Do you make Ozai proud? You're gonna be the Phoenix King, Steve?
When I light this car on fire, yeah. You know what time it is? Take a wild guess what time it is.
10:30.
It is 11 o'clock, Leah.
What have we accomplished today, Steve?
We're technically not even halfway.
Oh no!
Maybe closer. Somebody didn't put the A arm upside down. Don't know who that could have been.
Was me.
Oh, I guess it was her.
Guess.
Who could have guessed?
Get off! Yeah!
I
thought I had it.
Yeah.
I'm close.
You'll get that on these big jobs. Be delivered.
The next day.
Okay, I think we're finally done. Right, Leah?
I think so.
Good.
After
Great.
3 days, I think it should be.
3 days. So, we got new everything. New struts. New control arm. I don't know why there's 2. New sway bar end link. New spindle. New same old brake pads. It's new everything. Leah, let me tell you why we had to get a new one of these.
Oh my
So
God,
if you look real close,
it's a wave.
yeah, that's not so bad. That part, we welded that. I beat the piss out of the top of it, just trying to get this thing out, and it was not going. So yeah, we had to get a new one. That reminds me, we have to put a Zerk fitting on the one on this side. Leah, how does it feel to be almost done with this?
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Fantastic, my friend.
Okay, this off.
Okay, good.
Okay, you wanna try and start this thing? Problem solved. Leah, how do you feel about everything we've accomplished today?
I feel pretty good, actually. We replaced that suspension. And we took it for a drive from here to the
gas station.
local gas station. The steering's a bit off, but
Just a touch.
Yeah, the straight is like this, but that's okay.
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna take it to Mavis and cheap little adjustment, realignment. That's what they call those.
That's what they call it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you feel like we got a lot accomplished.
Oh, it's 100%
Boom, 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 boom.
way better than it was before.
100% way better.
Yeah.
Hooray!